Hello, students. It's time to explore and have some fun with the exciting world of numbers. Have you ever thought about how numbers are like magic? They help us count our toys, measure our height, and even keep score in games. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of numbers from 21 to 99. Get ready to discover how these numbers can make everyday life a lot more fun. Place value, tens and ones. Let's start by understanding place value. In a two-digit number, the first digit tells us how many tens there are, and the second digit tells us how many ones. For example, in the number 32, the 3 is in the tens place, meaning there are 3 tens, and the 2 is in the ones place, meaning there are 2 ones. So, 32 can be seen as 30 plus 2. Skip counting by tens. Now, let's have some fun counting. We can count from 20 to 99 by adding 10 each time. It's called skip counting. So, we start at 20, then go to 30, 40, 50, and so on. Comparison of numbers greater than and less than. Next, let's learn how to compare numbers. When we compare to two-digit numbers, we first look at the tens place. If the tens digits are different, the number with the greater tens digit is greater. For example, if we compare 42 and 64, we see that 6 in 64 is greater than 4 in 42. This means 64 is greater than 42. If the tens digits are the same, we then look at the ones digits. For instance, in comparing 44 and 48, since both have 4 in the tens place, we compare the ones, 8 is greater than 4, so 48 is greater than 44. Now, let's count some numbers. Numbers 21 to 30. Numbers 21 to 30 are formed by adding 20 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 21 is formed by adding 20 and 1, 22 is formed by adding 20 and 2, and so on. Numbers 31 to 40. Numbers 31 to 40 are formed by adding 30 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 31 is formed by adding 30 and 1, 32 is formed by adding 30 and 2, and so on. Numbers 41 to 50. Numbers 41 to 50 are formed by adding 40 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 41 is formed by adding 40 and 1, 42 is formed by adding 40 and 2, and so on. Numbers 51 to 60. Numbers 51 to 60 are formed by adding 50 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 51 is formed by adding 50 and 1, 52 is formed by adding 50 and 2, and so on. Numbers 61 to 70. Numbers 61 to 70 are formed by adding 60 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 61 is formed by adding 60 and 1, 62 is formed by adding 60 and 2, and so on. Numbers 71 to 80. Numbers 71 to 80 are formed by adding 70 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 71 is formed by adding 70 and 1, 72 is formed by adding 70 and 2, and so on. Numbers 81 to 90. Numbers 81 to 90 are formed by adding 80 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 81 is formed by adding 80 and 1, 82 is formed by adding 80 and 2, and so on. Numbers 91 to 99. Numbers 91 to 99 are formed by adding 90 to the units place, 1 to 10. For example, 91 is formed by adding 90 and 1, 92 is formed by adding 90 and 2, and so on. The ones and tens concept. Let's understand the concept of ones and tens with an example. Imagine you have 10 pencils. You can group them into one bundle of 10. This means you have 1 10 and 0 ones. So, you can write 10 by keeping 1 in the tens place and 0 in the units or ones place. Now, if you have 21 pencils, you can make two groups of 10 and have one pencil left over. This shows two tens and one one, or simply 21. So, you can write 21 by keeping 2 in the tens place and 1 in the units or ones place. What if you have 100 pencils? You can make 10 groups of 10. That's 10 tens. But just like before, if there's one pencil left, you need to count it in the ones place. But we write it in a different way than before. We place 1 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and another 0 in the ones place. So, there you have it. Numbers from 21 to 99 are not just digits, they're tools that help us understand the world around us. From counting and comparing to grouping, they open up a magical realm of possibilities. Next time you see a number, remember how much fun and useful it can be. Happy counting! We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 1. Thank you.